Welcome, my name's Liam. This is the Cableway. We're going up to the top of about a few things on the way up. If you have to listen, here we go. Front right is walking rock. Used to be a waterfall.
How long can you hold until your breath falls? It's been too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream. You know what I know. Life is a game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a sense within our company, within our company, within our company. So come closer to me, a little closer.
Right, few bumps, that's it.